Hello guys, let me introduce you to our most recent project. This is how it was looking in first place, a backyard covered in lawn, and we have transformed it into an edible and pollinator garden paradise with a Mediterranean style. This area is gonna be used for edibles growing in the ground, and this beautiful metal pavilion is gonna be used to grow edible vines like peas or cucumbers, beans and others. In between the flagstones that connect all the sections in the garden is growing edible thyme, and around it we've created a pollinator garden that there are basically plants with low water requirements, especially for this area in California. It's gonna be full of color, which was one of the requirements, and an area at the side of where they are going to grow edibles, full of space to grow cut flowers, annuals and perennials. This is the curapia that is replacing the existing lawn, creating a green area to be enjoyed for everyone in the family.